Boats like this that have been abandoned are a real problem down here on the coast, because it takes a lot of money to go ahead and pull them up and dump them and salvage them and get rid of them. It's just a shame that the owner of this thing, and you'd think they'd track them down from the registration number and make them come and solve the problem, but I guess they don't. And I'm not sure the Coast Guard even knows about this one, because there's no sign on it like there was on the other one. You see these abandoned boats kind of all over the place. Let me show you what two of them look like. This one right here, last year, was sitting out in the Intracoastal, and over the winter it has come in towards the beach and it's ended up right here. Let's go see what it looks like inside. Oh, there's a survey camera over there. Boy, this looked like it was a nice sailboat at some point. You can see the mast right there. There's no Coast Guard sign on this one like there is on that other one. And the inside looks like a mess. Check this out. Boy, this was probably a nice boat at some point. You know, you look at this and you can understand why someone might have abandoned it, but that's no excuse. Geez, you know, take it to a salvage yard or something. Got a crab pot on it if someone wants that. Some cushions. Boy, this is in bad shape. So the registration number is NC0832BJ, and it looks like it was last registered in 2011 from the sticker there. Huh. Ooh, I just hit a crab pot. Well, this is from 2011. Here's a cassette player. No, it's a CD player.
Block. Chrome's a little corroded, not too much.
Well, all the cushions are still in here. If it had electronics, they're all gone. Interesting.
Yeah, the electronics get kind of bad anyway. It's all water.
I don't think this is worth recovering.
Nope.
Boy, this used to be somebody's dream, and now it's just nothing. I don't think that's going to come back to life anytime soon.
I don't think so either.
So much for the Grace. Oh, there's a sign on here. Coast Guard. Anyway, salvage boats. I'm not interested in trying to pull that off with my kayak. Just a shame to see someone's dream destroyed. Comments? Are salvage boats a problem? Abandoned boats a problem in your area? Throw it in the comments. Thanks.